See, we had a flat tire, and of course you can't go. Okay, today we've had a problem with one of our tires on our FJ Cruiser, and I'm here at this really fantastic tire place that can change your tires out. There's also a car wash. This is my new amigo here.
Lester, my name is Lester.
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 And your father?
My father is Amado. Name Amado.
Mato.
Yeah.
And they have a car wash over here. It's very close to Quepos. You're going to find it off the left side of the road in Paquita, and they have a car wash. You can't go down many roads with a flat tire, and they're having it changed out. And we had a new spare, so the flat's being repaired, and the new one will be going on.